Oh, God bless you. Good morning. You gonna open your eyes? Oh. Look at this little thing. Hi, cutie. How you doing today? You're not sure about it? There's your little eyes.